Introduction to ASP.NET. What is ASP.NET? ASP.NET is a web development framework developed by Microsoft. It allows developers to build dynamic web applications, websites, and services using .NET languages like C# or Visual Basic. Architecture. ASP.NET follows the Model View Controller (MVC) architecture pattern, which separates the application into three main components: model, data, view, UI, and controller, logic. It also supports the Model View Model (MVVM) pattern for building client-side applications, using frameworks like Angular or React. Features: rich toolbox and designer support in Visual Studio IDE for rapid development, built-in authentication and authorization mechanisms for securing applications, integration with databases using Entity Framework for data access, support for Web API development for building RESTful services, scalability and performance optimizations through features like caching and asynchronous programming, cross-platform development with ASP.NET Core, allowing deployment on Windows, Linux, and macOS. ASP.NET Web Forms versus ASP.NET MVC versus ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Web Forms. Traditional framework for building web applications with a drag-and-drop model for UI design. ASP.NET MVC embraces a more modern approach, promoting separation of concerns and testability through the MVC pattern. ASP.NET Core, the latest iteration, offering cross-platform support, improved performance, and a modular architecture. Development tools: Visual Studio, Microsoft's integrated development environment, IDE, for building ASP.NET applications, providing features like code editing, debugging, and deployment tools. Visual Studio Code, a lightweight, cross-platform code editor with support for ASP.NET Core development through extensions. Deployment: ASP.NET applications can be deployed to various hosting environments, including on-premises servers, cloud platforms like Azure, and containerized environments using Docker. Deployment options include self-hosting, shared hosting, virtual private servers, VPS, and platform as a service, PaaS, offerings. Community and support. ASP.NET has a large and active community of developers, with ample documentation, tutorials, and forums available for learning and troubleshooting. Microsoft provides official documentation, tutorials, and support through their website and developer community forums. Future trends: ASP.NET continues to evolve, with updates and new features being regularly released by Microsoft to keep pace with industry trends and standards. Emphasis on cloud-native development, microservices architecture, and containerization with ASP.NET Core. Integration with emerging technologies like machine learning, IoT, and serverless computing for building more advanced and scalable applications. Thanks for watching.